Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 953, verifying an alien dictionary. So as we all know that in all the dictionaries we get all the words sorted in lexicographically uh, sorted way. So we have to do the same, like we have to check the same in this problem as well. So we will be given word. It's gonna be an array, and we will have few words in it. Okay, and order will be the basically the sequence in which the alien uses the letters. For example, H over here is equals to A, B, C, D, and all this, and so on. Okay, so you have to basically look for if the words in the given array is sorted or not. So how can you do that? You can check for all the letters in the consecutive words. For example, H and L. Okay, H comes before L, so okay, this is fine. Next comes E and E. These both are same, then we can skip obviously. Then L and E. So L comes before E, so that's fine, and so on. So we can verify this. And there will be one more condition which you can see from here that you cannot have a shorter word right after this, right? Or like for example, in this case, you have word and word, right? So this doesn't satisfy the order in it. So we'll have to check for these two simple conditions, and we will be good to go then. Let's start the solution. So first thing which I want to do is I want to assign a number to all the alphabets mentioned in the order string. So to do that, what I'll be doing is, let's initialize that in order counter, and let's run a loop with index and value of order. So I'm using enumerate as it can give us index and the value at the same time. So for all the values, I want their indexes as my value. Okay, so values will be the keys and index will be the value in the dictionary. So we're good till this point. Next thing which I want to do is I want to run a loop till the second last element of the given array. So for I in range length of words and till the second last point, then minus one. Awesome. Next thing, I want to pick two consecutive words. So how can we do that? I can use this index basically like this. So I want to pick the element of ith index and sorry and add index I plus one. So we have two consecutive words now. Now what I want to do is I want to just iterate through word one, okay? Because obviously like word one comes before word two, so I want to check if all the elements of word one is smaller in order than word two. So for that, let's run a loop in word one, yeah, fine. And if basically j is equals to length of word two, okay, then I want to return a false. Similarly, if my word one, like the character at jth index of word one is not equal to character at jth index of word two, then I want to check if order of like character at jth index of word one is lesser than. I think I have made it the other way. Yeah, it should have been if the order of jth character at word 2 is less than the character at same index of word 1. Okay. If yes, then I want to return a false. Okay. Else, I would just simply would like to return a true in this case. So we're good to this point. Let's check out the test cases. Okay, we are getting a negative result. We're getting false. Okay, in all the cases we're getting false. So we must have missed something. And there's what if I, this condition looks fine. Let's make it a little bit more easy to read, I mean. And I want to return false in this. Other than that, what if I just break the condition? Looks good. Okay, yeah. So the test cases got cleared. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed really well. Like we outperformed 99.65% of the submitted solutions. So yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.